I welcome you all in the part 2 video of MCQ series of herbal drug technology. So dear all, we have completed 10 questions related to the herbal drug technology in the MCQ format. So let's start the question number 11 now. So the crown gall is a disease in the peaches, grapevine, roses and various plants. It is caused by which soil-borne pathogen? The crown gall disease is caused by bacteria. Yes, Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the answer. So it causes a tumor. That is the crown gall disease. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Yes, option B. Next question. In dash pesticide substances that plant produce from the genetic material that had been added to the plant. Option A, plant incorporated protectant, that is known as PIP. Option B is the botanical pesticide. Option C, biochemical pesticide. So yes, very simple. In the plant incorporated protectants, what we do? We do genetic engineering, simply. We change or we alter the genetic makeup of a particular plant material by inserting some desired genes. Next, question number 13. Biochemical pesticides include substances such as insect that interfere with the mating, that attract insect pests to trap. So yes, we will do, answer will be option A, sex pheromones. So sex pheromones are used in the biochemical pesticides. Very important. Next question. Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus papillae and the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. What are these? These are bacterial biopesticides, viral or fungal. So yes, very simple. These are the examples of the bacterial biopesticides. Next question. These are traditionally fermented biomedicines from Ayurveda. Asav or Arist, or both A and B? Yes, very simple. Both A and B, Asav and Arista, are the traditionally fermented biomedicines in the Ayurvedic system of medicine. Next question. What do you mean by ISM and H? We generally came across this term ISM and H. What does it infer? Yes, Indian system of medicine and homeopathy. Option A will be the answer. Indian system of medicine and homeopathy. Next question. Standardization is a method to ensure, option A, identity, quality. Option B, purity, efficacy. Option C, both A and B. Yes, option C will be the answer, because we know standardization is a method to ensure the identity, quality, purity as well as efficacy of the crude drug. Next, question number 18. In reference to fermented Ayurvedic formulations, these are prepared by making decoction or kasai. Option A, Aristha. Option B, Asava. Option C, both A and B. So what will be the answer? Yes, in which heating is required? Aristha. In case of Aristha, जब भी हम Aristha prepare करते हैं in the Ayurvedic system of medicine, we require heating the drugs. We will prepare the decoction first, which is known as the kshaya. And in Asva, no heating is required. Just soaking of the drug in the appropriate solvent is done. Next question. Yes, dash is sometimes used in the preparation of vatis, where Parad and Gandhak are mentioned. I hope you know the answer. Kajli preparation. This is the Kajli preparation. Please read this line. शुद्ध पारद और गंधक अथवा किसी धातु के साथ पारद डालकर 3 से 4 दिनों तक मर्दन से पारद गंधक या धातु का कृष्ण वर्ण का संरक्षण चूर्ण हो जाता है, वही कजली है. कजली में हम बेसिकली वी आर यूजिंग दी पारद एंड द गंधक, use the mercury and the sulfur, and we will mix it until it become the Krishna varna, just like blackish color, and it will be a fine powder. So yes, answer will be the kajli. A very important question. Dash is regarded as ancient Indian nanomedicine. So we all know bhasmas are regarded as the ancient Indian nanomedicine. So thank you very much for your patience and listening. See you in the next lecture.